Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival, and I just want to do a real quick great deal alert. If you guys are members of Sam's Club, they sell, and they might sell them at Walmart too, I'm not sure, but it's the Members Mark 1400 Lumen flashlight. This is the light, and it's an all aluminum body, very reminiscent of like an updated mag light, but it has an awesome Cree LED in there, and it came with 9 Duracell AA batteries. So at $15, I mean, just the AA batteries probably would cost you $10. So that's an amazing deal right there anyway. But I want to take you outside real quick and show you how bright this thing is, because it's really impressive. We're just doing a little testing on the Kodiak. You guys will be seeing some reviews on that coming up soon. But let me go ahead and come outside here so you can see this, because it's really impressive, I think. So that out there, oh, my phone's having a hard time focusing, but it lights stuff up, man. And you can see there's the barn. And unfortunately, it just doesn't do justice, through the camera here at night. Look at fire. But, compared to some of the other flashlights that I've reviewed, even 1000 lumen flashlights, I mean, this is a 1400 lumen, and there's a huge, real wide spill that you probably are not picking up on the camera. And the dog just wants to poop in the light, I guess. But yeah, it's just a super cool deal and a great buy at $15. I just thought I'd let you guys know about it. Anyway, take care, guys, and I will see you on another video here shortly.